Hello guys, in the previous tutorial we created an account for our business. Now in this tutorial I'm going to walk you through how to set up your account for your business. The previous one was creating an account on the Autowash Manager portal. Now within your account that you've created, you have to set it up before you can use your account to render services to your client. So after this tutorial, in the next tutorial I'll walk you through how to use the application to render services to your customers, to your clients who comes to your shop to wash their cars. So as usual, we click on the login button to take us here. Then since the system already has our phone number captured, we don't need to type it again. So we just move to the next field, which is user password. So we key in our password. Then we click on the login button. When we click on it, the system validates our credentials, and if it's true, it proceeds to the next page. So I click on it, and voila, we are here. So now I'm going to walk us through the account renewal, the managers, the detailers, and the service category. Over here in the account renewal, this is when where we go there where our account has expired. We already unsubscribed to the 1 week service. So assuming the 1 week time is up and we have to go and renew our subscription, we click on the account renewal button here. So I'll click on it to see what is over there. So when you click on it, you see we have the same screen as we had when we were subscribing to the package. So you select the package. If it is weekly, again you select the weekly, then you submit, then it will take you through the payment process. So that is not our area of interest right now. So we go back to the menu, and I think I'm having internet issues, so my synchronization is slowing down, but no problem, we'll carry on. So now let's create managers for the washing bay. So we created the account as business owner, so now I have to create managers under us who also take care of the detailers and other things. Okay, so we click on the managers, then we take few information about the managers. So let's say the manager name is Kwame, so then the phone number is let's say 0240 123 456. Okay, so then let me see if it is 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 10. Okay, so the residence, probably he lives at, let's say, Mango Down, or 81. So then the password. So the password we create a password for the manager. So these slots has been provided for future expansions. So in the next updates of the Autowash Manager, there will be a slot where the manager can also log in to make some changes or view some some other things, some other processes, likewise the others. So we create a simple password for the manager, then we submit. So when we submit, system validates and record successful. So we have successfully created a manager. So for example, if you want to, by chance you want to, let's say you are done working with the manager and you want to delete the record of the manager, you click here. See this three dots here. When you click on it, this menu pops up, delete record. So when you click on the delete record, this form pops up. So this select option here, all right, loads all the managers you've created on the application. So when I click on the drop down, I have Kwame Danso created here. So when I click on Kwame Danso and I hit the delete button, Kwame Danso's record will be taken off my account, meaning I'm not doing any business with Kwame Danso anymore. All right, so we go back. We need Kwame Danso to work with us. So I'll just maintain Kwame Danso. So now I come to the detailers. So the detailers, what are the detailers? The detailers are the people who does the car washing, the car washers. Let me put it that way. So since a detailer will be assigned to a car, we need to take details of the detailer, and at the end of the day, for financial purposes, for the payment of the commissions, we have to set the detailer up so that during the payment we can make a payment to a detailer. Okay, so when we get there, you understand why we are setting them up here. So to set them up, you click on the detailers. The form pops up. It's a simple form that you fill, not complicated. So the detailer's name, I like using so, but now let me use King D. King D. The phone number, let me use 0240 123 okay 789456. Then the residence, let me use the same 81. Then the password, I'll create another password for the detailer. So probably sake of the work schedule of the detailers, most of them currently we don't have time to access their phones while servicing. So we've created an expansion also. So in the future, we'll give them access to also log on to monitor their sales. That has been catered for in the second phase of the Autowash Manager. That's why we are giving them password. So when that one is uploaded, they just have to just log in with their credentials, their phone number, and the password. Then we just have access to their portal, to their account, to also see their daily sales and their commissions and other things. So we submit. So let's check the entries. So I'm sure we have everything intact. Let me take the keyboard off. Then all right, my keyboard go off. All right. So now we have the name, the phone number, the residence, then the password. So we submit, it process, and when you are through, it's records has been submitted. So all right, thank you. We've created the detailer. All right, so now again, if you want to delete this detailer because of their work style, the nature of their work, they mostly leave one business to the other business, so when you want to delete, when one wishes to leave you and you want to delete his record from your system, you just click on the menu icon here, then you select the delete record. All of them, all the details, their names will be listed down here in this menu. Then we have the King D. You select the King D and you just click on the delete, and the person is gone off your system. So the person, it means you have released the person to be what do you call it? You have released the person, and the person will now be employed at a different washing bay. So when he goes there, his account will be recreated for them. Do you get it? Yeah, but for all the payment records still stays on the system here for record keeping. So we go back. Now we've created a manager. We've created a manager and we've created the detailers. Now, what are the services that you offer at your at a washing bay? Do you get it? So to capture all the services that you offer over there, we click on the service categories. So when you click on the service categories, we have these forms to fill. We have the service type, service cost, business commission, and detailer commission. So what happens is, in every washing bay, the service rendered over there between the business and the detailers, the car washers, are commission based. So if let's say you wash a car full body, and the cost is 10 cedis. The 10 cedis, in some of the businesses, we have the washer taking 5 cedis, the business taking 5 cedis. Do you get it? So depending on the car and the type of service, comes with this assigned cost, and in the assigned cost we have the the commission difference. All right, so you set it up. So for my company, we deal with full body, and the service cost is sorry, let's say it's 10 cedis. 10 cedis. The business commission is 5 cedis. Then the detailer commission is 5 cedis. All right, so we save. Click on the save button. The submit. So we submit. So it process, then it's saved. So when it's saved, it gives us this message that record successfully submitted. That's good. So all right, thank you for inserting that record. So now let's do engine only. Let's say the cost is 15 cedis. Then the business commission is, let's say, 10 cedis. Then the detailer will take 5 cedis. Then so let me submit. So I submit. System process as usual, and voila, we are through. So you can list as many as services that you want. Okay, so if you want to update any of the services here, when you click on this button, this icon menu here, you see update record. So when you click on the update records, this form will load. Good. So over here you see all the types, the service type that you've already captured in here. So when you select this body, then you can change the service costs and the commission, business commission, the detailer commission over here. When you are done, you just click on the submit button, then you are good to go. All right, so that is all for this tutorial. Now we've walked through the account renewal. That is when a system tells you at login, if your subscription has expired, the system automatically directs you to this place to renew your account. And when you renew your account and you want to create more managers for your business, you just use this button to create them. When you want to create the detailers, the workers, the field workers, let me put it that way, at the washing bay, those who do the real work, you create them. The detailers, they are here. You create them using this icon. Then you use the service category to capture all the services that you render at your washing bay. Okay, so in the next tutorial, I'll walk us through how to create customers and use the application to render services to your customers. Then we go through the reporting feature here. So I'll end this tutorial here, and see you in the next tutorial. Yeah, bye bye.